Welcome to Quarter Flips. I'm Dave. This is my channel. I just reached 1,000 subscribers, something I've been going on and on about lately. And now it's done. We're past it, and I don't need to talk about it anymore. After this last video, where we do a celebration and we give away this iDPRT SP410 direct thermal label printer. This right here is going up. Someone is going to win this label printer. As always, they have the wonderful printing on the side of the box. Let things better, faster, and vital. I guess I got to run through these boxes, even if they know that the English is incorrect. But in a way, I like to think that the English isn't incorrect. I think let things better, faster, and vital. There's got to be a way that makes sense. It's just too good. If I could get a t-shirt with this on it, I would definitely wear it. I might make one. I don't know. Okay, here's how we're going to do this. When I'm putting this up, it's Wednesday, April 20-something. In 1 week, it'll be Wednesday, May 4th. May the 4th be with you that day. Yes. On that day, I am going to discover who the winner of this thermal label printer is and who the winner of my Discord 200 box set is. One like this. So I've already got the rules about how you win that box set up on that video. So if you want to check that video out and get in on that thing while you still can, you have 1 week. As long as you're in by May 4th, you got a chance for that one. But this one, we're going to set that up today. Here's how you can win this thermal label printer. In this video, tell me in a comment, who's your favorite actor? Okay, now we'll get to the fine print, since people always get caught up on this stuff. Actor, actress, animal, or anything else that played a role in a movie or a TV show or a play. Don't care. Just name an actor, male or female, or anything in between or other. Played a role that you like. Now, for those of you who don't like naming your favorite thing, just put the name of someone. Just seriously, steal this one, Tom Hardy. Or go the other way with it and say Charlize Theron, right? Just someone from Mad Max Fury Road or anyone else that was in Mad Max Fury Road. Go to IMDb and find any person that was in that movie and put them in. Or I would even accept the third dog that played Lassie or the bear from Gentle Ben. Okay? Just in the comment, have something that I can read that lets me know that you heard the rules and you did what you were supposed to do to qualify to win this. Then that's fair to everyone who does do what I'm saying. So do that and you will be in the running to win this if I pick your comment. I'm going to pick the comment at some point on the 4th. Maybe when I wake up, maybe at the end of the day. I'm not sure yet. Kind of feeling midday on this one though. So let's get those entries in. I'll happily ship this anywhere in the US or Canada. If you're somewhere else and you win and you want it, we can work something out. I mean, it's got to work on the electrical supply that we have here in this part of the country. It's wired for that. But yeah, I'm not going to nitpick it too much. It won't be too much to send wherever. So get in on this and yeah. And then there's not really another goal that I have to worry about. I can kind of stop obsessively looking at the number. Someone said 10,000 is a nice number to look at, a nice goal, because at 10,000 you can get into the YouTube studios in Los Angeles. Do I want to do that? I don't know. I don't know if they don't have UMA there, probably. So that's it. Nothing else to talk about. I'm going to give this away. I'm going to be very happy about it, and I'm going to keep making videos. So please like and subscribe and check out the videos that I've got coming, and definitely check back in a week to see if you've won.